Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to manage stock in WooCommerce on a WordPress website. As you can see, I am into the WordPress admin dashboard, and here in the left side we are having an option of products, and when we move the cursor to the products, then automatically a sub menu appears in front of us, from where we can simply select add new product to create a new product, right? For example, I am creating a product with this name, so I have typed cotton t-shirt in the product name, and here I am scrolling down to the product data section. As you can see, this is the product data section, and here it is asking me whether it is a simple product or a variable product. If it is a simple product, then you just need to open the inventory settings, right? And you need to check in the stock management, track stock quantity for this product, and here you can simply enter the quantity of the stock, right, of this particular product, right? So automatically when users keep purchasing, this quantity will start decreasing, right? And you will automatically get the low stock threshold notification if you have mentioned the low stock threshold. So let me mention it to the 15. So when the 15 quantity of this product would be remaining, automatically the admin would get notified about this particular product getting in the low stock, right? So he or she can again maintain the stock of this particular product. And if you are creating a variable product, and let me select the product type to a variable product. Okay, so here it is also asking me the inventory, so here I can mention the inventory. So I have already kept it to 150 of quantity and low stock threshold as 15, right? And when we are going to create the attributes and variation, let me create attributes and variation. So I am just entering the new attribute name as color, and the value blue space vertical line space red space vertical line and black, right? For example, this t-shirt is available in 3 colors. I have mentioned the attribute, and now I'm going to click on save attribute. Again, I'm going to create a new attribute, so I'm going to click on add new, and here I'm going to enter the attribute name as size, and in the value I'm going to enter the m space vertical line space l space vertical line xl, right? I'm going to click on save attribute. So 2 attributes have been created. First is of color and the another one is of size, right? And now I'm going to the variation section, and here I'm going to generate variation of my product as per the attribute. So as you can see, like we have added 3 colors and 3 sizes, so total 9 product variants have been created. Now we are going to edit each and every product variant, and here also we need to check in the manage stock, and we need to mention the stock quantity. So I have edited this blue color M size t-shirt product variant, and here I have maintained the stock as 20, and the low stock threshold is of like 5, right? So in the same manner you can simply edit each and every product variant, right? You can edit the stock quantity of each and every product, but make sure the total number of stock quantity of all products should be equivalent. So in the inventory, whatever the quantity you have mentioned, like here we have mentioned the 150 as the product quantity, so all product variants stock quantity must be equal also, then only this figure would get tallied. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about WooCommerce, right, then kindly check our video description. I have mentioned my blog link. You can simply visit our blog and read articles related to the WooCommerce. So in this video we have learned how to manage the product stock in the WooCommerce on WordPress website. Apart from it, if you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then also I have mentioned my website link in video description. You can simply visit our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.